it is me, Growley. And who is this young man?
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? A talking lion. That's miniature. Look at that. Like, hey miniature lion, what's your name? Huh?
He's coming!
Eat this guy! Eat this guy! Eat him! Eat him! Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Right there. Watch out. Watch out. I think he went away. I think we're safe, guys. Whoa! Whoa! That's not me. I think he found us. And I believe he has found us. So we could just set this back up. That's a lot more appropriate. I think we're safe now, guys. I'm always safe. Ah, here he comes again.